The F&I Master Class is intended for all finance managers, all finance people who aspire to become great, new finance managers, veteran finance managers, and even salespeople who aspire to get into finance, and any person within that dealership that wants to sharpen their axe. I've had people from general managers and dealers down to finance directors, finance managers, and salespeople attend the F&I Master Class because listen to me, learning how to sell and strategically close is not just a finance thing. It will help you in every department in which you have products to sell, but it levels you up in F&I. If you want to create better results, sell more product, generate more revenue, and have more customer satisfaction, then that's why you want to come to the F&I Masterclass.